What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Guys, I'm here with the weekly chart for SPY S&P 500 on the futures chart here. Remember, yesterday we talked about this big outside bar here with this long wick to the upside. We saw a lot of selling, guys, and today we just got another continuation of the selling. Most of the market is down. We were able to short 2 or 3 times today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through step by step how to short, how to use the Fibonacci's. I'm going to guide you through all the trades we took today and make sure that you're ready to rock and roll for tomorrow. Okay, so if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, let's do some shout outs. SDK, Trading Wars Army, BMO, Miss B, Trading Wars Army, George, Todd, Bill, One Story a Day, John, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, Anthony, Jim, Hillbilly Traders, Willers, Chem C, Bill, Heartstrong, Trading Wars Army, Briggs. Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. A lot of people in the building today. I know you guys are having a good time. Let's get into it. Martha, Jesse, Shannon, Trading Wars Army. Let's go. Okay. And guys, a lot of the times you got to look at the bigger picture. And, we identified this. This selling that came in yesterday wasn't last week. Sorry, wasn't a joke. It wasn't a joke. The high was 41.80 to the penny. So there's definitely some type of algorithm, some type of bigger player in that, in my opinion. All right, let's look at the daily chart. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles in a row. We filled this open gap. I would not be surprised for some type of bounce coming. I don't know if it's going to be a permanent bounce, a dead cat rally. I'm not sure. Let's draw the Fibonacci from the most recent swing low to the high right here. We can see we're right on the 50%. That's a very important pivot. The 618 would be even better. I could see us chopping. I could see a dead cat bounce, a little bit of a pop, maybe roll back down to the 618. But what does that mean from a day trading perspective? What does that mean? So we know the weekly chart is bearish. So what does that mean? Short, 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 short. Okay. So let me walk you through the trades we took today step by step. All right. So here we go. Okay. So I'm going to hit the replay and I'll walk you through 9:30 right there. Bam. All right. You guys having a good time? Send me a 1 if you're having a good time. Life is a good experience, guys. It's only one shot you have. So you might as well smile. You might as well have a good time. All right. Have a good time. Okay. And enjoy the people that you love. Make sure you enjoy the time you have with them because you never know when it's your last time. Something like that's happened to me recently. So definitely, guys, let's enjoy, let's appreciate, and let's learn. Learning is the most important thing that we can do. Okay, so let's go. So here's the previous day's low. Here's the previous day's high. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and get our trigger. Our short was 381.59. Right, wait, it disappeared. 381.59. So I'll go ahead and draw that up. It's right there. Okay, so I'll put this in red and then just double click and put that on the exact level. Okay, so this is our game plan, right? So this is how the previous day looks. I'm going to go ahead here. I'm going to type in short trigger. Okay. All right. So first 5-minute bar comes in. We're doing nothing. We're inside. Okay. And we're inside here. We're not going to force anything. We're not going to be dumb. We're not going to be extra aggressive. What I'm waiting for is this red line to break. Okay. That's my short trigger. When we come over here, I'm going to look to short. So I'm waiting patiently here. We had a morning leg fib. I'll talk to you guys about that after, but let's continue here. So here we go. We start to get some momentum. We had an inside bar breakout. So the free indicators, let me send it to you over there. It highlights the inside bars in yellow. Okay. So you can easily see those on your chart. So the first actual good opportunity was shorting this inside bar right there. Take that short, boom. But what we did, we waited here for that short trigger. We consolidated for a bit here, guys. This is what I like. I like when we come down to the trigger and we just do nothing. We go sideways, we pop back up, because the second time that it comes through, boom, that's where I want to be in. Bam, bam, bam. And let me fast forward to the end. Bam. Beautiful, beautiful. And you could see how powerful that short trigger was, because look how many times we tested it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. We tested it 6 times. Okay. So we just took our line in the sand short, 381.59. I'll show you right here in the live commentary. I said this morning, short trigger is 381. One sec. Down here, short trigger is 381.59. Let's keep an eye on it. No orb for me. Looks like side so far. Don't force anything. We'll be looking for solid fibs, and I will leave the trigger in. The trigger triggered right here, guys. Trigger at 8 a.m. Pacific. That's 11 Eastern. Okay. Before we got there, guys, we had one of the most beautifulest exceptional, lovely Fibonacci plays. So I'm just going to show you guys that now. Okay. So let's look at the pure Fibonacci price action. So I'm going to go here. Okay. All right. So we had our 930 bar. There's our big red bar. So we have our leg down. Okay. So what direction is that? Okay. Is that bearish or bullish? So I'm going to take you through step by step by step. Hit me with the 1. Is that bullish? Hit me with the 2 if that's a bearish move. If you look at this move, okay, here's the high, here's the low. Which direction, bearish or bullish? What do you guys think? Okay, so remember the concept behind the Fibonacci. What we're trying to do is we want to continue in the direction of the leg. All right, so right here in the Fibonacci book, for those of you that have it, this is what I like to call the impulsive leg. All right, so impulsive leg, that's pretty much the beginning of Fibonacci. Is it bearish or is it bullish? Okay, so we have a bearish. So what we're doing right here, if I just look at this, is I want to see something like this. I want to see us come back somewhere into that fib and then make a new low. That's what I'm looking for. That's all it is. Okay, so let's go ahead and drop the fib. We go from high to low right there. And I'm just going to double click and I'm just going to leave the 618 on. Okay, that's all I want you to focus on as a new trader. 618. Okay, so there we go. We're watching our 618 right here. Here we go now. Coming right. Okay, we make a new low. That's totally fine. Just move your anchor down like this. Then we pop up. Okay, remember, stop loss is here at the high of the day for protection. All right, when you're a new trader, always focus on high of day, low of day stop. So let's go ahead and put this in red. So to be honest, let's pause. How much of you would be very scared? You shorted right here and your stop loss is here. Does that look like your stop loss is going to get hit? Hit me with the 1 if yes, hit me with the 2 if no. Okay. So right here in this trade, guys, it definitely looks like your stop loss is going to get hit, but this is the power of the fibs. Okay. So if I put on the full fibs, you'll see all of them, but I don't want you to get caught up on that. But let me just show you. These are other fibs that are actually happening as well. You could see the 786 and this 90, which is basically the 886. Okay. But I'm just going to put it back on the basic for you. So definitely looks a little bit scary here. You have your pullback here, you have your stop for protection, and we roll right over. All right. And that's the power of the fibs, because the Fibonacci is a hidden resistance. It's a hidden support. It's hidden. It's not seen by the eye. Okay. But what I love about this particular Fibonacci setup as well is if you're doing a candlestick confirmation, which is right here, candlestick confirmation on page 48. If you're doing that, what confirmation pattern is this? That's why it's so important. Have the free indicators. If you want to take it a step higher, get the book. You'll get the golden indicators and the Nirvana for life, the premium ones. Okay. But what do you guys think right there? So what is that? What is that? What pattern is that? That's an inside bar. Okay. So we have that inside bar right there, that confirmation. So you could take your short below the low, stop above the high. You have a really, really huge risk to reward on that. Let's go ahead and look at that. So let's say that's your risk right there, that little red bar. And what's your reward? Let's draw it out. All of this is your reward. Okay. Let's make that in green. And that's, my friends, is how you stay profitable in trading. All right. We also had one more trade for full transparency in the morning. Some people got stopped out. Some people didn't. It was a little bit frustrating. So we actually went ahead on this first 5-minute bar, this red one. We wanted to take a pretty quick fib. So if I go from low to high here, you could see it did hit the 618, but it broke the high on SPY. But if we go over to futures right now, right here, so there's some selling after hours. So if we go to futures, you could actually see that high didn't break. So if you traded the futures contracts with the fibs, it didn't stop out. If you did SPY, it stopped out. That's a little bit weird. Sometimes that happens. It's definitely because we're going into December. Look at this massive selling coming in right now, guys. And look at the top. What is this pattern right here? Nirvana. Massive selling is coming on futures right now. Nirvana is right there, guys. That's what I'm telling you. Get the indicators. All right. And we knew this, guys, already coming to the week. Here's your powerful outside bar. And I posted that, guys. Look, I'm not playing. Here we go. I posted that right here for the army. This was our swing pick on SPY. Short below 383. Okay. I posted that yesterday for the army members, right? Because you guys know I'm on YouTube mainly now, not so much on Twitter. So please, if you want to join, guys, it's $5. I think it's a fair price. All right. And I'm going to post some exclusive bonus picks tonight just for army members. All right. Just for army members. All right, guys. Here we go, man. Hit me with a 2. Hit me with the 2. If you enjoyed the stream, everything made sense. I want to keep it simple. We don't complicate it. We do the same thing every single day. We have our patterns, our fibs, our orbs, our triggers, rinse and repeat, and watch the money stack up. We don't care about anything. We don't care about anyone else. We have to do what we know works, and we cut the noise, and that's how we make the most money. All right. Right here on Trendspider. So let me just go. I'm going to post all these picks right now for you guys. I'm going to look for anything in particular that stands up. UPS, blue raindrop. All these picks are going to go to I'm going to do a free section on YouTube. So you'll see a free section. So you guys are going to get picks for free, and then the Trading Wars Army is going to get exclusive ones. So yesterday I did the blue raindrops for the Trading Wars Army, Target, and Progressive. So a lot of stuff is going to YouTube right now. All right, and that's the plan for the future. So I'm going to go ahead and scan it. Again, use code TWZ. What is the damn code? Let's see. I always forget. Just go here to the live. This one yesterday. So the code is TWZ35 for 35% off. If you guys want to do that, if you're already a Trendspider customer, all good. Just tell them you want to switch over to the affiliate, and they won't charge you at all. Check out the guide, Interactive Brokers, Conditional Orders, in the description. You can use this to short futures right now. So you could have an order in like right now, and that short could have taken you. Look at that beautiful short, guys. Look at that Nirvana. Absolutely love it. Nirvana. I love the simplicity of what we do. There's nothing better than that. Okay. Eric, brother, welcome to the Trading Wars Army. As always, guys, tradingwars.com is the place to be. I really wanted to say this. Shorting right now, if you cannot short, you have to be nimble. Hit me with a 1 if you agree. You can't just be one directional. You can't just say, I'm just going to go bullish. I'm just going to go bullish every single day. You are going to get missing out on so much opportunity. Look at this daily chart on SPY. Every single day has been red. If you weren't able to short for whatever reason, you can't, your account, it doesn't have permission, blah, blah, blah. You can't trade futures. You're missing out on opportunities. Look at that. Okay. That's a lot. Even right now, after hours, look at this. Look at this selling coming in. Okay. All of that selling, all that opportunity, you can be in those trades. You can be in this right now. All right. So make sure you're able to short, make sure you're able to go long. I'm not saying you have to short, you have to go long. What I'm saying is be flexible, give yourself the tools to succeed. If you don't have the tools to succeed, if you don't have the key to the car's not going to start. Hit me with the 5 if that makes sense. All right. I want you to have the tools to do what you want. I don't care how you trade. You can trade Flo, Joe, Mo, Bollinger Band, Hollinger Band, doesn't matter. Okay. You can do whatever you want. You can do RSI, ISR, IRS, whatever one you want to use. That's totally up to you. But give yourself the flexibility as a trader to make the right decisions with the tools. If you can't short right now, something is wrong. Okay. So get that figured out. Guys, even if you don't want to do margin, blah, 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 you can do an inverted ETF. Okay. You can do an ETF that's the bearish. Okay. So I don't trade those anymore, but what do we have? SPXS is bear. Okay. So you see how, watch this now, pay attention. You see how the bearish one is going up because you can go long technically on the bearish one. So if the market goes down, this goes up. Hit with the 2 if that makes sense. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys some of these tools for you guys that can't short. Look, the best way is obviously futures. And that's why I have the guide in the description. You can't catch this move unless you're trading futures. You can't, because this is only happening after hours right now. Okay. So check that out. All right. I want you to have the tools to succeed. Thank you very much for your time. Tradingwars.com is the place to be. Guys, get the indicators. It's a one-time payment for the rest of your life. That's it for the indicators. You get the book too. All right. 30 days for free in the Discord. Come trade with us. If you don't know what you're doing, you want to see what we do. You want to learn different concepts, apply to your trading. You want to get better. Check us out, guys. We have a big community. Tradingwars.com right here. S&P 500 Options Mastery Book is where we get into the technical opening range breakout triggers, etc., etc. All these tools for you to succeed. All right. Just got to make the first step. Otherwise, sign up right here on the main page. I'm not going to be raising my price anytime soon because look, everybody's raising their price. I won't because there's no need to. Okay. I make money trading. I'm happy with, okay. I put in maybe, let's say with my team, probably 40, 50 hours a week and managing Discord and stuff like that. I think that's a fair price for us. And I think that's a fair price for you. And we make money trading. So I don't have to go charge, $100, $150 a month to send you a screenshot. All right. What book to start with? Definitely this S&P 500 is the beginner book. The Fib is the next level. That'll take your trading to the next level. All right. Thank you very much for your time. Kev, UPS, welcome to the Army, brother. look out for those posts. I'll be posting them right now. I really appreciate you guys. I really love you guys. Thank you for your time. And I will see you again tomorrow. Have a great evening. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. All right. Comments equals opportunities for giveaways. Take care.